Good morning, class 4. In the previous class, we have read and studied chapter number 3, that was a revision. So, today what we'll do is we'll do the exercises, question answers of chapter number 3. I'll be sharing the answers with you after this video. So, please don't be in a hurry to write, and let's just discuss the answers first. Please do not be in a hurry to write so that you don't spoil your handwriting. As of now, this is a revision, so most of you must have already done the answers. So you can also check your answers while we are doing this. I'll share the screen with you. So this is the exercise for chapter number 3. Exercise A, take the correct answer. Dash protects the internal electronic components from damage. A RAM, ALU or system unit. The correct answer is system unit. So you put a tick there and you'll also write it in this space. Okay. Dash is known as the brain of the computer. CPU is known as the brain of the computer. CU and ALU are parts of the CPU. CPU chart we have made wherein we have drawn the architecture of a computer where CPU is divided into three parts: CU, that is the control unit; ALU, arithmetic and logic unit; and the memory. Okay. Speed of a CPU is measured in megahertz, gigahertz, or both A and B. So yes, speed of the CPU is measured in megahertz and gigahertz. So answer is both A and B. Dash is used to store data for future use. Hard disk, RAM, or both A and B. RAM is random access memory. Now basically RAM is used for loading the programs and running the programs at the time when we are working on a computer. So hard disk is used to store it for future use. So the correct answer is hard disk. What is a system unit? The definitions and the answers I'm going to share after this video. So as of now, just listen to it. Okay. System unit is a metal box which stands next to the monitor. It is used to protect all the internal electronic components. And what are the internal electronic components? The CPU largely, okay, the hard drive, the CD drive, and motherboard, okay. Next question is, what is a motherboard? So motherboard is a large circuit board which contains lots of chips. It is also called the microprocessor, and I'll give you the exact answer. Name the two parts of CPU. The two parts of CPU are control unit and arithmetic and logic unit. What is the function of CPU? CPU is the brain of the computer, and it controls and manages the internal activities of a computer. It is responsible for all the processing that is done in a computer. What are the uses of ports? So ports are the slots which are used to connect different devices to a system unit. Okay. Fill in the blank. CPU is also called dash or dash. CPU is also called a microprocessor, or let's check. CPU is also called a brain of the computer, microprocessor, processor or a microprocessor. So, central processing unit. Okay. Next question is dash is a box-like case which stands near the monitor system unit. Number 3, the dash part of the CPU directs and coordinates the operations and instructions in the computer. The control unit part of the CPU directs and coordinates the operations and instructions in the computer. Dash is called the primary memory. Internal memory, that is RAM and ROM, okay, is also called the primary memory. The power supply changes dash into dash. The power supply changes AC power into DC power. Okay. Now write the full forms. CPU, Central Processing Unit. CU is the control unit. ALU is the arithmetic and logic unit. RAM is random access memory. And last one, MHZ is megahertz. Crossword puzzle. Slots across number 2, slots at the back of the system unit. That is number 2. Number 2 is here. We are going to write ports. Okay. So this is how we're going to solve this. And I think this will be a good activity for you guys. Please finish this activity and submit once you are done with it. Submit the pictures. Next is application based. At home, your younger sister asked you where the computer stores so many informations, movies, songs, and other stuff. Can you reply her after going through this chapter? Now, can you tell me where does the computer store all informations? It is the hard disk. The answer here is hard disk. So with this, we finish chapter number 3, and I'll be sharing the answers with you right after this video over WhatsApp. Thank you.